Well, hey guys, we have another bike that we bought at Copart, and let's do a walk around and talk about the numbers. So we have a 2015 Honda Interceptor, otherwise known as a VFR 800. This bike looks beautiful on this side. There's almost nothing wrong with it on this side. The majority of the damage comes on this side. So it went down, some pretty good rash, took a pretty good hit to the front wheel. Has a few things wrong with it. This cover's busted, water pump's busted, and the stator cover's busted. Kickstand's busted. A little bit of rash here and here. Not bad though. I mean, it's all fixable. Guys, this stuff is all fixable. It has something like 2,000 miles on it. I'd like to start it, but it doesn't have any oil in it, so I'm not going to dare do it. So I was really wanting to buy this bike for myself, and I was going to fix it up for myself, and I was really excited. But so this bike is offered in two versions. This is the base model, and then they offer a deluxe model. The deluxe model basically has heated grips, traction control, full ABS, and a center stand. So not a whole lot different, but I really wanted a bike with traction control. So this doesn't have that, and I'm really disappointed. And also, this doesn't have, or I just think I would be disappointed with the horsepower. It's about 100 horsepower. So that's not quite enough for me. I really wanted to. If it was like 120 or 130, I think I would fix this, guys, and make it my own. But that's not going to happen. So let's talk about the numbers. So the numbers, I paid $1,843, $1,800 out the door. What's it going to take to get it put back together? Well, quickly, about $1,150 in parts. So you got about $548 for the front wheel. Stator cover is $54. The water pump is $90. Front sprocket cover $37. Left coolant hose $15. Left mid fairing $180. Left lower fairing $90. Left mirror $97. Clutch lever $20. Kickstand $23. That gets you to an all-in price of $2,996. So basically $300. What's it worth? Kelley Blue Book says $7,750. That's if it's a perfect condition, clean title. This is reconstructed, so that's where the value discrepancy comes in. I think to the right buyer, you could do $6,000. But it's going to take a special buyer. And they're not going to like that it has a reconstructed title. So I think reality is probably close to $5,000. Could you make money? Yes. So $3,000 minus $5,000 is $2,000 in your pocket. That's not bad. It's pretty decent. Pretty decent money. How much time would it take? I'm gonna say if you had all the parts sitting here, you're looking at about an 8-hour job to fix it. So not too terribly bad. But so anyways, that's the bike. Well, you guys, if you like this stuff, give me a thumbs up. Throw in the comments what you think. And maybe consider giving me a subscribe. That would, and you could see more of these. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys.